Hi guys, so today I will show you how to make bingsu. Like bingsu is something like there's icing in this bowl right here, and then you can put some strawberry, some jam or like strawberry stuff. Like this thing my mom made for me. So first you have to, here it is. You have to put milk inside a mold. Put a milk in this mold, like this size of the mold, and then you have to put it in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours, and then you'll have this thing. But I'm not gonna take it out because my mom already did it for me in this box right here. See, they're done. And now I'm gonna get it out. Guys, obviously this is gonna be also on the cooking playlist. A little bit sticky. So you see like this part, like the bumpy part. Oh jeez. Wait, I'm gonna put it down first. You see, wait. See this arrow? It has a point to open. Point to open, and then you can pull it out. I think it's hard. That's why my dad's helping me. See, it's at open, and then we'll put this in, and let's say the bumpy part down, put the bumpy part down, and then you put it in, and put it in, and change it back to rock. Is it? Okay. And then Dad, can you do the spinning part? Okay, now. Wait. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, I'm gonna push the button. Are you ready?
Ready.
Now, the first time I messed it up, it was like the blade was not. The blade wasn't the good and right amount, so it like got a little bit shabby. So now this is the right amount. I tested, so I can show you guys now. Forgot to mention that there's a big storm outside right now. Guys, now it's done. Here it is. So now time to put the jam sauce in. Here, right here. Okay, a scoop of sauce, and then you do like this, and then you turn it in circles. Some more jam. You can make other taste, like you don't need to do blueberry, you don't need to like to do strawberry, you can do blueberry, raspberry, like any flavor you really want to. Okay, I think this is enough. I'm gonna try it soon. I need a spoon there. Thanks, Mom. I just got a spoon. Oh. God. Let's taste it. It's good, but quite cold. So guys, if you want to see more cooking videos, like making food, like this stuff, leave a like. And please press the subscribe button because I'm racing with my friends Dion Cool Fanboy 900 and Super Cool Prab. And again, Super Cool Prab, like do you know why I say Prab Fanboy in the last videos? Because he just changed his YouTube channel. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to the beach, and you guys might see that video in a few weeks, in like 3 or 4 weeks. I'm not pretty sure, but bye. See you next time.